If you want to impress somebody, you make it really complicated. But if you want to help somebody, you keep it simple. And keeping it simple in one-on-one coaching is my philosophy. Listen, there's so much white noise. There's so much distraction going on right now. It's hard for us to figure out what are the priorities in your business. One-on-one coaching allows us to identify those priorities and helps you take your business to the next level. If you're stuck right now, I can help you become unstuck. If you're already doing really well in your business right now, I can help you run faster. We do a skills audit, so I can identify where you're strong and where you're already excelling. And we're also going to do a skills audit to identify where I can add value in your business. And then it is simple from there. I keep you accountable, I keep you focused, and I keep you on track. We meet regularly, we discuss those agenda items, we create a plan and an implementation list to keep you moving forwards. One-on-one coaching is where the best get better. Join me. I'm looking forward to working with you.